So in this InShot tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to edit the audio volume here on InShot. So once InShot's opened up, if I were to record some audio, for example, I'll press on audio right here. I'll press on record, audio, and there's my beautiful audio right there. So if I were to go ahead and play it for you guys, audio. There's my audio. Now, if I wanted to edit the volume, perhaps make it louder or quieter, press on the audio right here. Go to where it says volume and press on that. Now you can go ahead and change it. So if I wanted to make it a little quieter, if I were to play it here, audio. It's not quieter. If I were to make it a little louder here, audio. You can go ahead and adjust it with the bar just like this. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can edit the audio volume here on InShot. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.